On top of generating apps with AI, now you can also generate SQL and HTTP queries with our Ask AI agent. Say I want to know which users have more than 5 tickets. I just type it in and get back an SQL query that I can now run and visualize in one of the pre-built chart components. Or to retrieve a list of customers from Stripe, I get back a ready-to-use query without diving into API documentation or coding. Execute it and visualize the results. Now let's dive deeper and go over a few real-life examples using Ask AI. Let's use it to retrieve orders and customers' info. If you encounter an error, SKI will identify and fix it with a single click. You can also use it to update existing SQL queries and validate the correctness of the results, both in the SQL code and in the tableized form in the preview window. If you're a bit more tech savvy, you can modify your SQL query manually. The current query is pretty basic, so let's just try to join orders and order items to show more details. If all looks good, you can save it and connect the query to the table component in the app builder, which you can later adjust and expand upon in a visual no-code builder. Now that we've retrieved customers and orders in a table component using SQL, let's add actions to our app. I'll create an HTTP query to issue refunds on specific orders using Stripe API. And for that, the same as before, I just type my request in the Ask AI chat window. And after gathering additional inputs, it generates an HTTP query for a new refund and specifies and validates all the key parameters, such as charge ID, refund amount, reason, and so on. Now, if you want to enrich this refund with more context, like who issued it and for which order, you can easily do it without manually editing the API call itself. You just type add metadata to the refund, and ASCII updates the HTTP query instantly. Metadata is now structured and injected directly into the request body without asking developers and wasting their time. And after saving it, I can connect it to a built-in action element, such as a button, to create a functional app that our support or risk team can use for their daily operations. With Ask AI, you don't need to code to build interactive apps. Just type what you need, get SQL or HTTP queries generated instantly, and use them as building blocks for your application, all in one single platform. Try JetAdmin now. Turn your words into actions.